Hi guys, it's Charles here with Charles Harrison Music. I think you've got the hang of these legato licks by now, so I'm just going to get straight into this one. Using a chromatic sliding shape, taking advantage of the different interval between the G and B strings today. I do it too much in this lick because this is more like an exercise, so this is something that you might use maybe once or twice in a row in a lick to make sure it doesn't sound a bit too contrived. Anyway, this is very contrived so that you can get used to the idea. We're in F major. D minor will work nicely as well. So hopefully that was useful for you guys. I've been trying to keep my blog updated recently, so if you want to check that out, the tab for today's lesson is on the blog, and there's a couple of articles that I've been putting up there based on my teaching experience, so check it out. And also follow me on the old Instagram. Again, I'm trying to be a bit more regular on there. Next week's lesson, I've been working on quite a while, comparing a couple of triadic approaches. So I think you're going to really enjoy those. Those are things which would have been groundbreaking if I'd known about them when I first tried to get into jazz, because no real prerequisite, whatever the word is, knowledge required. If you're following this stuff, you'll find the knowledge required really simple for the triadic stuff, but it's mind-blowing. Modern lines, Pat Metheny, John Schofield, Wayne Krantz, Michael Brecker, all of these guys love this stuff, and on these books that some of these courses I've been studying, I'm going to really sort of try and break them down for you, and I think you're going to really find that helpful. So stay tuned, that'll be up next Sunday, and please do like and subscribe and all the usual stuff. Cheers guys.